This is Aslin. Right now I'm going to review about the air conditioning system in all new Innova Cresta. This is HVAC, heating, ventilation and air conditioning. This is if they say the temperature is right now temperature is 32 degrees C, and I'm going to set the temperature to 28.5 degrees C. So if you so right now the cabin is hot. The temperature sensor present over there, it detects the outside temperature as well as inside temperature. If the inside temperature is say right now 32 degrees is temperature, so what it does, if I need to make it cool to 90 degrees C, automatically the blower it starts increasing. The blower fan speed automatically it increases to keep the cabin cool within a short span of time. Okay, so I'm setting temperature to around 29 degrees C, 28 degrees C, it's enough. This is circulation mode. It circulates the cool air around the cabin. Make sure to switch off this circulation mode in a highway, as what it does, this air it gets circulated all over the cabin and makes it tail. So what do, just at the periodic interval of time, switch it off, let the fresh air comes in, and then again switch it on to make the cabin cool. Or else better just switch it off so that fresh air comes in and cools the cabin. Okay, this is AC. If you adjust the blower speed, the automatic conditioner automatic cooling gets switched off. So automatic cooling is nothing, like if you set the temperature 28 degrees C, and it will switch off the AC once the temperature reaches 28 degrees C, and again it cools the cabin. It may switch on the AC. That's it, automatic thing. This is the front defogger. Front defogger is to remove the fogging which occurs during the training session. This is a rear defogger. Then switching off the AC. Then this is to circulate the airflow either towards the leg, both leg and face, or only to the leg, or only to the face, or directly towards the windshield. Okay, this is a rear AC, rear air conditioning system for the second and third row passengers. Even the you don't need to press this rear button. This rear aircon is completely independent of front aircon. Rear aircon, there's a button over here. I think you can see. Okay, sorry I can't. Yes, click it auto, and it sets the temperature, and it will cool the AC. If you want to switch it off, switch it off. Even you can control the blower speed. If you control blower speed, the auto gets switched off. Okay, that's it. Air conditioning system. Okay, switch off. Always make sure to switch off the air conditioning system before switching off engine. Okay, this is the thing which was told by Toyota. Just make sure to switch off the AC first and then switch off the engine. Okay, thank you.